Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Semrush SEO Writing Assistant for on-page checks step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Semrush website. Locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type SEO Writing Assistant into the search bar. Press the Enter key to view the search results. Click on the link for the SEO Writing Assistant. Once on the Tools page, look for an option to sign up. Click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Optionally, you can sign up using a Google or Facebook account. If you prefer, click the Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Facebook button. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your social media account. After completing the registration, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This action will direct you back to the Semrush platform. Upon returning, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the SEO Writing Assistant tool. You might be prompted to set up your project. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new project. Provide the URL of the web page you wish to analyze. Input the main keyword or topic for your content. Click the Create Project button to finalize the setup. You will now see the dashboard for the SEO Writing Assistant. Use the provided tools to check your content for on-page SEO. Review the suggestions and insights to optimize your writing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.